Trying to be like the outside girls, okay? They got swoops. They got swoops. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by UNICE Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, just know your girl is feeling herself, okay? Let me tell you right now. This, yeah. If it was Friday, I would have my wine. I'm just telling you right now. This looks good. But anyway, before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. I know I just met you, boy, but you got that something that just rocks my world. I can't help but feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Oh. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. all bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from UNICE Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you can. This is a 4x4 Jerry Curly Closure Wig, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not your auntie's Jerry Curl. Okay, no activated soul glow over here. This joint is nice. When I first heard about Jerry Curly wigs, I wasn't really feeling them, because Jerry Curl just gives me a little itch under my armpit, and I don't like that. I don't like that. But y'all, I'm so glad that I tried another Jerry Curly unit, because this one right here is a look. Now if you watched my install, you saw this unit did not take a lot of work at all. You guys saw out the pack the curls were a little bit tighter. I did go ahead and brush them out to make them a little bit looser, and then I went in with my water and my curl mousse to get my curls like this. I did diffuse my unit on cool, and this is how it's looking now. The closure of this unit is meant to be in the middle. However, you can turn closure wigs to the side as long as the hair is pretty much, you know, the same length on both sides. This is definitely giving me the same length on both sides. As you can see right here, it evens out, nothing crazy, so I was able to do that. Now the middle part would have been cute, but y'all know I had to do a little razzle dazzle real quick, so I went on and shifted my joint to the side and curved my part, and y'all, we are sitting nice. If you are someone who does not want to work with a whole bunch of lace or doesn't want to glue any lace down, you can definitely try a closure wig. They get you together with the same type of looks as the lace frontals if you plan on doing something like this. None of my hair is out for this look. I just got a little swoop-de-doop right there, little how you doing, and that's about it. Listen, don't judge my swoop, okay? I'm trying to be like the girls. I'm trying to be like the outside girls, okay? They got swoops. They got swoops. Let me get one. So, you know, that's what, just shh. I did pull out some of the hair around the hairline as well as in the parting space, and then I defined my part. Hold on, I got a little space right there that looks a little dark, and I don't like that. Let me see, because I see it with my eyes. I don't got my glasses on, so maybe I'm seeing stuff. But it looks like something right there. What is that? Am I seeing stuff, y'all? I should really have my glasses on for this. I hope I'm in the right spot. Good. Oh, I'm not. That just messed up my whole daggone part. See, trying to be cute. Good grief. Dang it. Let me get some water on my hand. Messed that all up. Good grief. I told y'all, I really am blind. I can't see nothing. And at 150% density, this unit is full. Now, I don't know if that's because of the length or just the hair texture in general, but the density of this curly wig is full, and I'm here for it. This 24 inches on me, y'all, is gorgeous. But y'all already know if this is too much hair for you, if this is too long for you, you can definitely get a shorter length. This unit does come in 14 to 24 inches, so you can get in where you fit in. And I'm pretty sure that 14 inch is like $145. And they also have that pay in 4. So listen. What you waiting for? You can miss Daddy Papa for this one. We about to be outside, okay? Keep him on the speed dial just in case. Y'all know my sweet spot is around that 18 inches. The heat is coming. The neck's gotta breathe. So that 16 to 18 may be your sweet spot. Listen, get the looks. Get the looks. This is, oh, y'all. I have literally no complaints about this wig. There's nothing to complain about. I may just wear this for the rest of the week because, one, it's a curly wig. It's very low maintenance after the initial styling. It's only a closure wig, so if I don't want to spray her down like I did in my initial install, I can just pop her on my heel with my wig grip, and you know, she's gonna be stationary. But you know, it's a little windy in Georgia right now, so you know, I can't have my wig getting pushed back. So that's why y'all saw me spray her down, because I wasn't gonna use the combs on this unit, and because, you know, obviously the unit is shifted, so the comb placement for this wig is a little, you know, tilted to the side. My ear tab is behind my ear right now because, again, this unit is shifted to the side. Y'all, this looks so good. I can't stop looking at myself. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to UNICE Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put all my specs, the direct link, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.